I guess following on from the theme, we are even smaller still. We are a very small team. Myself and Serge are here today, and I'm just going to talk to you about something that's probably a little bit different to the structured companies that you've heard so far. So we are a business growth accelerator. So we work in food ingredients and food technology. So I'm just going to give you a bit of background about us, what we do, how we do it, and then talk through some of the opportunities and how we work with people and how there could be opportunities for you guys to work with us. So we create opportunities for people. So you guys are finishing your research, finishing your degrees, and you've got some brilliant ideas. We want to work with people like you. We want to get to grips with entrepreneurs and inventors who've got really brilliant new food ingredient ideas, new food technology ideas, and we support you. Take that from you've done something once in the lab, you've done something maybe once in your kitchen, and you want to get it to a point where someone in industry will take notice, someone will invest, someone will license it off you, someone will start using the product, you can launch a product. And we do that by working with our networks. We've got a wealth of experience on the technical and the commercial side, and we offer support to get ideas from sort of that once in the lab concept to an actual real product. As I just mentioned, it's myself and Serge who are here today. Serge has got a wealth of experience in commercial side of things. I'm more on the technical side, so we work really well together, trying to bridge that gap. But we also have a really big network, so we will go out and find the right people to do the right jobs if we've not got the skills to do it. So how do we achieve this? So we've got a try and make everything as simple as possible. 3-step program to work with people on kind of getting something out of the lab. And so we call them innovate, develop, and then launch. Now this program's really, really flexible. Some products we take will go all the way through and they'll launch and be selling. Others may exit earlier. You may decide to go a different route. And we're quite happy to kind of work with people, with inventors, with companies, and we don't do this for a fee. We work as a team and we will put our time in and work together. So we support the development of these new ideas. So we can help you assess the commercial potential of your idea. We've got loads of customers who we could go and talk to. We could go and say, well, would you be interested in a product like this? Would you be interested in this? How much would you pay for it? Can we make it a viable proposition? How is your idea different to what's already out there? Can we protect it? Can we get a patent? Can we get licenses? And we can also work for big companies and we can scout for technology. Because not only have we got a big network going out into large companies, we've got a good network going into universities, going into small businesses. Once we've done that, and once we've developed we know that there's commercial potential, we'll look at product development, how you get into the market, how you sell, who you sell to, brand identities and reasons to believe in this product. And we can do this various different ways. We know that this is going to cost money. We can either get investors on board, we can help people get funding. We can work around these things, and that's one of the key things, because we know working with small companies, working with innovators, you don't have a lot of money. So we kind of find ways to work around this. And then we get to the launch part, the real commercial part, sales strategies, networks, all of these things that as a small business or an individual you might not know about. And we look at also exit strategies. So some people might have something and they want to build a business around that. That's great. Others might want to get to a point where they want to license what they've got and get out before they have to scale up, before they have to invest a lot of money in a big plant that manufactures things. And we understand that. We understand that different people have got different aspirations and they want different things. So we will work together with you guys to do that. So I guess just moving on to opportunities with us. And we don't have sort of a defined career opportunities. we are looking for people who've got really good ideas and people to work within our team and to build a team together. And we want people with great ideas, but those, you need to be self-starters. You need that determination to succeed. You need to really believe in your ideas. And you need to sort of be motivated to make something really special out of what you've got. You also need to kind of want to step out of the lab a little bit, not all the time, because obviously Serge and I could support you in that respect, certainly in commercial, but you need to be able to express and communicate your ideas and communicate what you've got, and that's science. And that's one of the ways we can help as well, is that communication of science to the general public, to businesses. And in return, I guess, for those skills that you would bring and those ideas that you would bring to us, we would offer a way to incubate that idea until it's market ready, and offer access into the marketplace, and offer you the support to develop as a person. So develop your sort of project management skills, your commercial skills, your business skills, how to develop a product, how to access funding, and all of these things that go around making a successful business. And that is how to contact us. And we've got a stand over there. I think we're number 1, so just right in the corner. So if anybody wants to come and talk to us, discuss any ideas that they've got, please do. And we're really flexible to how we work with people.